Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analyzing the silver futures chart. Just before I start today's video, I just want to start by saying that I hope you all had a wonderful Easter weekend. This week, of course, is a shortened trading week. Most of the European markets were closed yesterday. Of course, the US markets did remain open. So, yesterday in terms of volatility, we didn't really see much happen here in the silver futures chart. We've just been trading around the $25 mark. But let's just quickly look at the silver futures chart from a technical perspective. We've broken out of this long-term downtrend that we've been trading in since the 29th of January 2021. So this is a 2-year downtrend, and we've managed to break that trend, and this is now very bullish from a medium to long-term perspective. Now, the problem is in the short run is that we have now become slightly overbought. The RSI is showing a reading of 74.30. For those who are not aware, a reading above 70 does indicate that we've probably come a little bit too far, a little bit too quickly in the short run. And, that makes sense. I think we've seen a 25% move off these swing lows that occurred at the beginning of March. There we go, 26% move higher here in the silver futures chart in just a month basically. So that is a very, very strong move higher. So I feel like now it's appropriate that we consolidate and start to digest these gains that have occurred over the past month or so. And I would not be surprised if we did see a move lower down towards 24.170. That now allows us to correct the RSI and, as I just mentioned, digest the gains that have occurred as of recent. One thing I really like about the precious metal market is that we are continuing to see falling bond yields. We have the 10-year that, in my own humble opinion, is expected to go all the way down to 3.15%. And if we just quickly jump over to this chart here, this shows you what the 2-year government bond is doing. We're currently trading at 3.987%. So we're trading below that 4% mark. And, just like the 10-year, I do expect this to trade back down towards the swing lows and potentially even break below and trade back down towards, let's say, 3.5%. So that's very bullish for the precious metal markets. Of course, when we have decreasing interest rates, typically speaking, the precious metal market does tend to outperform. So I like taking advantage of any dips that occur here in the gold and the silver futures market. I feel like it's only a matter of time now until we do see these markets continue their upside momentum. If you'd like to join my signal team, I do currently have a buy position open in the gold markets. Then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you through to my website where you can subscribe to my service for a very small fee of $29. And that also gives you access to my daily market research.